For this stitch, we need multiple of 5 plus 2 extra stitch plus 2 for edge 1. Row 1 and 3. We slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. Here we have last 3 stitch. This 3 stitch we just purl 2 for extra, 1 for edge. Row 2 and 4 we slip 1, knit 2 stitch, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2, 1, 2, purl last stitch just for edge. So we done 4 rows, and in row 5 we slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. To the second stitch, we insert 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down to the 4 rows below, insert the needle, pull up the loop, and knit 3. 1, 2, and 3. And again, we back to here and pull up again the loop. So purl 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. To the second stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rows below, go and insert the needle, pull up the loop, knit 3. 1, 2, and 3. And again, we back to this stitch and pull up the loop. Purl 2, 1, 2. Last one we purl just for edges. So row 6 we slip 1, knit 2, 1, 2, and yarn in front of the work. We slip the loop after purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. Again, yarn in front of the work, we slip the loop, knit 2, 1, 2. Yarn in front of the work, we slip the loop, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn in front of the work, we slip the loop and knit 2, 1, 2, purl last stitch for edge. So row 7 we slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2. This loop and this stitch we need together to the back loop. Knit 1, and these 2 loop and stitch we need to the front loop. Purl 2, 1, 2. This loop and this stitch we need together to the back loop. Knit 1. This loop and this stitch we need together to the front loop. Purl 1 and 2. Purl also last stitch just for edge. Row 8 we slip 1, knit 2 stitch, 1, 2, purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, knit, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 2, 1, 2. Last stitch just for edge. So repeat row 5, 6, 7, 8 to the desired length. We slip 1, purl 2, and as you see here we have 1, 2, 3 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. To here we insert the needle and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, we insert the needle, pull up the loop like this. So purl 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. So to the second stitch, see 1, 2, 3, 4. We insert the needle, pull up the loop, knit 1, 2, 3, like this. Purl 2, 1, 2, and last one also purl. So like this.